Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper along with Zena the Clamper Camper. We are on our way back to Arizona and we took a stop at the Western Star RV Ranch near Liberal, Kansas. This place is really nice. Now last night we just shot kind of a fun video. Mr. Cameraman wanted me to have a challenge while cooking. So he picked out all the ingredients, he went shopping, and I had to turn it into a meal. Let's see what happened. So Mr. Cameraman got some shredded Mexican blend cheese, a jar of alfredo sauce, a container of cottage cheese, 2 packages of turkey, some pre-grilled chicken, and some tri-colored bow ties. I chose to use the bow tie pasta, the alfredo sauce, Mexican blend cheese, and the strips of pre-grilled chicken. So first I just boiled the pasta. Most colored pastas kind of brighten as they cook, but these ones stayed kind of boring. I was very surprised though that a Braum store out in the middle of nowhere had Italian pasta. Next I just dumped in the alfredo sauce, the chicken, and I put in half a cup of the Mexican blend cheese. Then I just stirred that together and heated it until the chicken was fully heated. Then I decided to add in another half a cup of the cheese. This pasta was super quick and easy to throw together, and it was really fun cooking with somebody else's ingredients. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. It was pretty fun making it. Don't know if I'm totally in love with someone else doing the grocery shopping for me, but Mr. Cameraman's pretty easy, so it was pretty obvious he wanted chicken alfredo. If you liked it, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you get notified the next time Zena and I upload a video. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.